Class 10th. Today I am going to continue with this chapter number 12, the endocrine system, and the topic is same, that is revision of this chapter. Okay, now today I am going to start with this question which are coming in section 1. Okay, जो क्वेश्चन सेक्शन 1 में आते हैं, आज हम वो क्वेश्चन करेंगे फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर. Okay, now first question in section 1, that is as you know, that is question number 1 always in a question paper in board examination also. Question number 1 is always name the following. Name the following. Okay, name the following. First question from this chapter. The three hormones produced by pancreas. Produced by pancreas. Second question, that is the hormone produced by adrenal medulla. Third question, the condition caused by the over secretion of insulin. Caused by the over secretion of insulin. Okay, now fourth question, that is the hormone which increases blood pressure. The hormone which increases blood pressure. Next fifth question, hormone causing more urine formation. The hormone causing more urine formation. Now next question, sixth one, the hormone which stimulates the entire sympathetic nervous system. The hormone which stimulates the entire sympathetic nervous system. Okay, now answer first one. Okay, the three hormone produced by pancreas, as you know, first hormone, that is insulin, is very common. Second is glucagon. Okay, and third one is somatostatin, growth hormone. Somatostatin. Okay, now second question, the hormone produced by adrenal medulla, that is adrenaline. Second, adrenaline. Next, the condition caused by over secretion of insulin. इंसुलिन जब बॉडी में बहुत ज़्यादा सिक्रीट होता है तो कौन सी कंडीशन आती है, दैट इज हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया. Now fourth question, hormone which increases blood pressure, again that is adrenaline. Okay, now next one, fifth one, hormone causing more urine formation, that is ADH, full form antidiuretic hormone. Antidiuretic hormone. Next one, sixth one, hormone which stimulate the entire sympathetic nervous system, that is adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone. Understand it? Now do it in your notebook. These questions are very important in board's point of view also. The three hormones produced by pancreas, insulin, glucagon and somatostatin. The hormone produced by adrenal medulla, that is adrenaline. A condition caused by over secretion of insulin, that is hypoglycemia. जब इंसुलिन बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी में सिक्रीट होता है तो ग्लूकोज का लेवल कम हो जाता है, यू नो इट, है ना. तो कौन सी हाइपो मीन्स लेस, ग्लूकोज लेस होगा बॉडी में, दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड हाइपोग्लाइसीमिया. द हार्मोन विच इंक्रीजेस द ब्लड प्रेशर, दैट इज एड्रेनालिन, यू नो इट, सिंपैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम को स्टिमुलेट करता है, ब्लड प्रेशर इंक्रीज करता है. द हार्मोन कॉजिंग मोर यूरिन फॉर्मेशन, दैट इज एंटी-डाययूरेटिक हार्मोन, ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एडीएच और ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वेसोप्रेसिन. ठीक है, इसको हम ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वेसोप्रेसिन. इन सम बुक इट इज ऑल्सो रिकमेंडेड राइट इन द प्लेस ऑफ एडीएच, दैट इज वेसोप्रेसिन. Now next one, that is hormone which stimulates the entire sympathetic nervous system, that is adrenaline. Now second type of question, this is the first type of question, okay, in section 1. Second question जो आता है in section 1, that is find the odded one out. Okay, it is very difficult to find odded one out from the terms. Okay. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, मैं आपको ये बता रही हूँ फ्रॉम दिस रिवीजन टेस्ट कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन बोर्ड में आते हैं इन सेक्शन 1. इन क्वेश्चन 2, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कंपल्सरी, दैट इज नेम द फॉलोइंग. नाउ क्वेश्चन 2, चूज द ऑडेड वन आउट फ्रॉम ईच सीरीज. चूज द odd one out from each series. Okay, from each series. Now first one, the glands. First हमें क्या दिया है? The glands. कौन कौन सी glands है? Thyroid. Second one is adrenal. Next one is pituitary. And next one is prostate gland. Okay. Now second one, that is the conditions. The conditions. First one, criticism. Glucagon, insulin, criticism and myxoidoma goiter. And scurvy. Now C1, the hormones. Hormones में क्या क्या आएंगे? That is insulin, glucagon, creatinine and thyroxine. Next, the hormonal sources. D1. The hormonal sources. First one is adrenal cortex. कि हार्मोन के सोर्स कौन कौन से हैं? Now first one is adrenal adrenal cortex. Okay. Second one is adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla. Third one is cortisone. Cortisone. And next one is pituitary. Okay. Now just choose the ordered one out from the each series. This is the series of glands. Thyroid is a gland, adrenal is a gland, pituitary is a gland, and prostate is also a gland. But हम यहाँ पे किसको ordered one out करेंगे? So this in this series, this is prostate. Why it is prostate? Because prostate is an exocrine gland related to the reproductive organs. Okay, accessory gland, not a exocrine gland. Prostate is an accessory gland in male reproductive system, but others rest are the endocrine gland. Understand it? Prostate is an accessory male glands. ठीक है, accessory male glands होती हैं. Male reproductive system में prostate accessory glands में आता है. And rest three are that endocrine glands like thyroid, adrenal and pituitary. Now second option, this is conditions. Condition due to diseases. Condition here related to the diseases. Say here cretinism, ठीक है, thyroxine से हो रहा है. Myxoedema, thyroxine. Goiter also from thyroxine. But scurvy is a deficiency disease. Scurvy is a deficiency disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C here. Okay, so this one is ordered one. Now next one, the hormones. Hormones, this is insulin, glucagon, cretinism and thyroxine. Three are hormones and this is the deficiency disease. Okay, cretinism is a deficiency disease. Now next one, the hormonal sources. कि हार्मोन कहाँ से सिक्रीट होता है. ठीक है, एड्रीनल कॉर्टेक्स से भी सिक्रीट हो रहा है, एड्रीनल मेडुला से भी सिक्रीट हो रहा है, पिट्यूटरी से भी सिक्रीट होता है. बट कॉर्टिसोन इटसेल्फ अ हार्मोन. अंडरस्टैंड इट? तो दिस वन is ordered one out. This is cortisone hormone. Understand it? How to choose the ordered one out from the series? Now third type of question. We will discuss in next video. Third type of question which will come in the board examination maybe.